it's in the shade Turkish Rose. Hello, hi, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Sneha and I create beauty, makeup and lifestyle related videos. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 things which worked for me amazingly under a budget of rupees 250. I have tried this product for a very long time and it has been working for me, and I think they are kind of hidden gems because they are kind of very affordable, and as well as they are very budget friendly. So if you are under a budget, I have 10 products for you which you can use and get amazing results out of that. And before we start this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So the very first product, which is my ultimate favorite, like I have hardly used any kind of liquid lipstick, but this is the product which I fell in love the first time I bought it and I used it. And this is my second product, like second refill, you can even say that. Malachi products are man parcha because its formulation is so good. It just sits on your lips like anything. But before you apply any kind of liquid lipstick, make sure that you apply a good amount of lip balm on your lips, because liquid lipstick chali the matte ho ja yani ki drying ho ja. So if you apply a good amount of lip balm, it doesn't crack up and it does not go very dry on your lips. Baira matte dikh ja, but from within it will be like healing or will be moisturizing your lips. So better go for a very good lip balm before you apply any kind of liquid lipstick. So I have been using this liquid lipstick from past 1 year and I am in love with this product, and this is only for rupees 248 under a budget of 250. And tablela hamesha you will get this under a discount in Nykaa or in Amazon. If you get a good discount, you will get it under rupees 200 as well, because I remember buying this for 198 when it was in discount. So you can check it on, or 248 itself is a very low price for a lipstick like that. This product will last you for 2 to 3 months if you apply it daily, but if you apply it once in a while, this can even last you for a year. Whenever I go out, I kind of apply this lipstick because this is non-transferable, and I like a situation where we have to apply mask, and whenever we apply mask, we don't want the lipstick to transfer on our mask and dirty it. And I kind of use this product and it is very good. And right now I have applied that product on my lips and you can see it's non-transferable. It does not transfer at all. I have applied this lipstick from past 3 to 4 hours and it hasn't like faded away. I can like still give a touch up with this lipstick once in a while whenever I want to. But yeah, this is the product which I have been using and I have been liking, and it is under a budget so everyone can afford it. If you want the swatch of this lipstick, it is of this color, which is kind of mauve kind of shade, and it is amazing. Like you can try out other shades of the same brand, and this is the True Matte Nicka K New York liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Turkish Rose NTM10. So yeah, this is the first product which was under a budget, and I definitely recommend this product to everyone out there. Now the next product is a hair care product which is very underrated in today's market, and it's the Sunsilk shampoo and conditioner range. I'm not talking about this particular shampoo, but I'm talking about the entire Sunsilk Co shampoo and conditioner range. Now I have been using Black Color Co shampoo and it just makes your hair so silky. It looks like as if I have done a spa and come out. But yeah, that Sunsilk shampoo has just worked wonders on my hair, and I have been also using Yellow Color Co shampoo. Those are also great, and this one has its own pros. This is the Sunsilk Coconut Water and Aloe Vera shampoo, and it's for the volume and for full and bouncy hair. You won't believe, but this product has given a kind of volume for my hair. My hair, it's kind of thin, and from back it's kind of thick, dense, but only at the back, and front mine has turned very thin because of the hair fall I am having right now. But whenever I use this, it kind of gives me a volume on my front part, which I love a lot. It just gives you a kind of smoothness and bounciness for your hair, and it feels like you have blow dried your hair. So yeah, I kind of love this product. I'm in love with this product, but the smell is kind of weird. It kind of smells like coconut milk or coconut oil, and this is the conditioner of the same product, and it also, this both are such a good combo. And if you talk about the price, this is for 220 rupees and this is for 149 rupees, which is under a budget of 250. And if you don't want the bigger version, you can even try out the smaller version of the same product, because they are available in different sizes. Yeah, this was the two product which was there on my list under the budget of 250 rupees. Now the third product is this beauty blender which I got recently from Nykaa, and it's the HP Bronzen Professional Pink Ultimate Classic Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge. Now this I got for rupees 160 rupees, but the actual price is 250 rupees, which comes under a budget of 250, but it is always in a discounted price, that is 160 rupees. You can check it out, and also I will leave all the products link in the description box below. You can check those out. And yeah, this is the beauty blender which I bought recently, and this is such a great beauty blender, because you can see how cushiony and how soft it is. It just bounces on your face, and also it is better than Miniso's beauty blender because this does not take in so much of product on its blender. The Miniso's beauty blender which I tried used to take in a lot of foundation, so it was quite difficult for me to blend, but with this beauty blender it was such an easy task to blend my foundation and my concealer in. And I used this product today and I'm quite liking the blending of this beauty blender. Now if you see, you can even like squeeze it out and you can just, you know, reach into the tips of your eyes and your inner corners of your eyes, which is quite good. And after you damp this beauty blender, it does not remain very tough, rather it turns into very soft product, which I totally loved it. And today I blended my entire makeup with this product and I am in love with this beauty blender already. So yeah, this is the third product which was there in my list under the budget of 250 rupees. Now the next product is a very old product of mine, and you guys, if you are following me from a very long time, you guys should know and should remember that how much I used to rave about this product and how much I used to use this product. And it's none other than the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. So if you are an oily skin girl like me, or even if you are a dry skin girl, you can use this product because this product is non-sticky. It just moisturizes your face. Even if you have an oily skin or a dry skin, you can use this product because this product works amazing in both the skin types. And I have been using this product from a very long time, and I kind of like this product. I use it whenever I have to do my makeup, whenever I go out. If I feel too hot or too sticky or too oily, I use this product because it's very lightweighted and it does not make you feel that you have applied a very heavy moisturizer. And the price of this product is 149. It comes under a budget of 250 rupees and you get such a good product. And I personally feel that this is such an underrated product because this does wonders on your face, and I highly recommend this product to everyone out there. Now the next product is a product which I have used a lot, and by a lot I mean a lot, because this is around my 5th to 6th bottle of this face wash. It's the Himalaya Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash. I have used this product for so many times and this is my 5th to 6th tub, and I totally love this product. So I have been using and trying out new face wash so that I can give you an alternative for this product, but till now I haven't found anything yet. I have used the Darva Viveka face wash. I didn't feel that good like beat up with this product. I have even used Cetaphil, but yeah, that product is very good, but it does not, you know, lather up and it does not make your skin, make you feel that you have washed your face. It is very good for your skin, but I don't feel quite content when I wash my face with that product. I have used Simple Ka face wash. You have no idea how many products I have used, but this beats everything. This is such a good product. It is made for oily skin people and it just removes the excess oil on your face and leaves your skin so good and beautiful. I love this product, and this is for rupees 190, and you guys, you won't imagine, this is the full size. You can use this product and it will last you for 1 or 2 months. This is the another product which was under a budget of 250 rupees. Now the next product under a budget is this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer with aloe vera and vitamin E. This is the product which I have been using a lot. So this is the makeup fixer which I use frequently and I'm obsessed about because it is budget friendly and also it's quite reasonable. So this is for rupees 249, which is quite a great deal because this is a makeup fixer and this will last you for months because obviously you don't do makeup every day. So yeah, it will last you for many months, and this is such a good makeup fixer. It just, you know, freshens up your face and it smells thoda sa aloe vera wala, but yeah, but it does not matter because ultimately it's gonna soak into your face. So yeah, this is the product which I have been using and I love this product. If you follow me on my Instagram or if you follow my makeup videos, you have been seeing me using this product so many times. Like, this is my second bottle and I'm almost over with this. So this is the another product from my list under the budget of 250 rupees. Now the another product is again from Swiss Beauty and it's their liquid eyeshadow, which is also known as metallic liquid eyeshadow. I have the entire set of this liquid eyeshadow and I have also reviewed the product in my channel. If you haven't watched it, I will leave the link in the description box below. Do check it out. So yeah, I have only 3 with me right now. I can even swatch it for you guys, but it's better you check the video because I have like reviewed it in detail. It is so good, like you guys can see, it's so good. It just brings back that kind of boom on your eyes and I just love this eyeshadow a lot. And the ones which I have is the rose gold retro. This is the rose gold retro, which is amazing. It just gives you the rose gold vibe. This is the diamond dust and this is the smoky storm. And also it is very easy to apply for all the beginners who are learning makeup. It's very easy for you to apply this because it comes with this kind of brush, if you guys can see, and it is so easy to apply it on your eyelid. So yeah, this is definitely another recommendation of mine under a budget of rupees 250. And the price of this individual liquid eyeshadow is rupees 199, which is again under a budget of rupees 250. Now the next product is this Neutrogena lip balm, which has SPF 15 in it. Now I have been using this product so much and so frequently and I totally love this product. It comes with this retractable kind of thing. It kind of looks like a Fevistick, but yeah, it does amazing work. It just gives your lips a plump kind of feeling, like I don't know, but for me it gives that plump kind of feeling. So whenever I use any kind of lipstick, I use this product because it gives that plump kind of effect, which I totally love. So yeah, this is the another product which I have been using recently and I am loving this product. And it's very easy to use because you don't have to dip in your finger or something like that. You can just twist and turn and you can apply it on your lips, and it is also very travel friendly, and this is for rupees 190. I totally love this product and I feel it's worth every penny you pay. I would highly recommend it to you guys too. Now the second last product in my bag is this face razor from the brand Tinkle. I have been using this face razor from a very long time, and if you don't know how to shave your face, I have even made a video on it. You can find the link in the description box below. So I use this or the Miniso face razor, which are quite good, and this one comes in a pack of 3, which is for rupees 64. So for rupees 64 you get 3 face razor, which is amazing and quite a great deal. So yeah, this product is very good. It is not that sharp that you will get a cut, but obviously your face will get shaved properly. And it also comes with this cap, which is very good because you won't get hurt or your razor inside won't get damaged, because obviously you have a cap to protect it. Now if you want an alternative for that product, you even get this Miniso face razor, which again comes with a cap. The quality of this is better than the quality of this. Now this is for rupees 180, and again you get a pack of 3. So I have these 2 razors which I use every time, and I feel both does the same work. So yeah, this is the other product in my list which comes under rupees 250. Now the last product which comes under the budget of 250 250 is what I am wearing, and this is the H&M top which comes for rupees 249, just under the budget of 250. So this is very comfortable because this material is breathable and it just fits my body amazingly. I am wearing the size S, which is quite good, and I kind of like this product. I have talked about this product earlier as well in my videos, and you even know that I bought another set of this same sleeve kind of top, but you can even wear it and pair it up with your jeans, with your skirt, with anything you want to, and you can just wear a shrug if you are not comfortable wearing it this way. The material of this product is so good. It lets your body breathe and does not make your body feel so suffocated. Ani polne halke material ban chaina, which we usually find in a sleeve or a top. So yeah, this is the last product in my list under the budget of 250 rupees. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I helped you guys pick up certain things under a budget. And yeah, if you did, do not forget to like, comment and share this video to as many people as you can, because you know it would mean a lot to me. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on that notification bell right beside it so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. I'm also super active on Instagram. You can follow me there. I will leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, lots of love.